Okay, find, string.find tells you the index of the first character of whatever match it finds. So, for example, if I'm looking for the word welcome here in this hello, welcome to my world text, welcome is in that text and it will return the index of the first character that it matches. And this is useful because it allows you to find where that substring occurs in the string. So using my example here, Bakersfield College is where I learn things. If I wanted to find where the word is exists in that string, what the index is, then I would say int index equals, because it's going to return the integer of the index of the first match, strtext dot find, and then I'm going to give it the word is as the parameter. So that's where it will find this word, and wherever the first character is of that word that matches, that's the index that I will get. So if I do that and then print int index, it'll tell me that the index for this I is 20. And then if I want to, I can use that to split that. I can use that to grab part of that substring. I can do all kinds of things with that information. It's very useful. Now, if I use find and I give it a string that doesn't exist, what it will return is -1. This is also very useful because I can use that in an if statement or in a where, a while loop to check and see if something exists or not. So this is simply telling me that the string, capital BILL, does not exist in this string. So -1 tells you that it's not found, and that's very useful information as well. This is literally one of the basic principles of a search engine, is using text matching capabilities. That's why sometimes when you're searching for something in Google, you get better results if you don't type too much. If you type too much information, then it can't find that exact match. If you type less, it'll find more matches, but they might be less accurate. So good searching is all about finding that balance between the two.